What's going on, traders? Welcome back to the daily recap. Today I finally got a trade in. Only one trade. It was a winner. 150 in a day is actually a pre-market trade, so I was pretty happy about that. And then the rest of the day I didn't trade just because the price action was kind of slow, and it's really I don't know, difficult again, just like yesterday. I didn't really want to push it, but yeah, let's get into it. So 8 o'clock came in, and again the bar was the daily bar was very small, just like yesterday. So again, that tells me again probably another range day. And then I switched over to the 2000 tick chart, and this is what I saw. Had my overnight highs here and then overnight lows here marked, and the first trade I took was a failed secondary long, lower high. Great signal bar below the EMA. My trend channel says, you know, break and then you low expected. And then if you had your range already drawn like this, you have the midline. It's probably your target. Unfortunately for me, for some reason, I got the scalp out first, and then I got my runner out first, and then I got scalped out. It was kind of backwards, so whatever, it worked. But then again, you got a second entry short, new low, first entry, second entry short. Good signal bar below the EMA. Again, same concept. You're expecting the new low, and you're expecting the price to test the midline at least. So that's a good two trades. The reason I didn't trade this, I was still in trade from the previous trade. So then price, I marked my levels or my trend channel just like this. Again, so you have a break and a new low. I want to trade this, but this is an inside bar. The signal bar does look good. It's 8 ticks, fairly, you know, reasonable risk. But I didn't take it. And then you actually had a true reversal right here. It's a micro double bottom, basically matching lows. You have a nice signal bar, 14 ticks, so it is, you know, it is a little risky, but you know, downtrend played out, and you're looking to see the price go up to the top. And then you also get a failed second entry short here. Again, new low, first entry, second entry short. Solid trade. The only problem is you kind of going long into recent highs, but it worked. The concept is there, or the context, I should say. And yeah, the price kind of broke this level, broke this trend channel, and then just kind of chopping sideways. You are expecting, you know, a new high from this channel, and you get a second entry long here. Nice signal bar. It closed barely above the EMA, and again, you're expecting the price to come back to the this area, so you get a nice quick scalp out of that. And then, of course, price is reversed. If you have this little trend channel, it's basically a failed breakout right here. Price reversed, went down back to the bottom of the trend channel slash midline, reversed again, and then you have basically a second entry short here because you have notice you have a channel working here. You got a break outside and a new high. I wanted to take this, but the signal bar was not good. To me, it's neutral, and it is only a double test, not a triple test, so I did not take it. If your signal bar looks better than this, you could probably take it and get a nice little scalp out of that. And then price reverse went up, and basically got two measured legs, and then you have rejection off this overnight lows or highs. So you could probably take this. It's a very aggressive trade, but it is a good signal bar. You get a scalp out of that because you are expecting the price to reject these levels. And then actually you can adjust your range. If I can just click on it, adjust your range like this. Yeah, kind of like this. And then you get a second entry short here, new low, first entry, second entry short. And again, small risk. I really want to take this, but I hesitated. I don't know why. Again, same concept, right? You have a break of trend, a new high played out, and you have a nice bearish bar, 6 ticks, low risk. I don't know, I didn't take it, but you do get a lower high, kind of confirming the second entry short afterwards. But the problem with this is that it didn't close below the EMA. So that's the only problem really I have with that trade. 12 ticks, not bad. You get a nice little scalp out of that, because you are expecting the price to come back at least to the midline. Because that's, you know, once, twice, 3 times it got rejected. And again, price walks back down, didn't come to midline, reversed, went back up, and started a little chopping along here. Just chop city all day. And then goes and finally breaks to the resistance and goes all the way up, and now finally coming back down. I didn't see any entries here, no setups, and you have there's a setup here, basically a second entry long with the failed second entry short. The problem with this is you're going long into the recent highs, so you don't know if it's gonna, you know, go back up or reverse and go back down. So it's a little risky. And it is a lower high too, or higher low. So I didn't even notice that. But either way, here you get a lower high after second entry short. Second entry short is right here, but the signal bar is good, but it didn't close below the EMA, which I would like to. And you see how it's kind of congested here. The EMA is a little bit flat, but you do get a lower high with a nice signal bar. And go short here and get a nice little scalp out of that. And that's how I saw it today. I probably missed a few opportunities or a few trades, but again, not a great trading day. But at least I got one trade in, and I was pretty happy about that. So a green day nevertheless. So yeah, I'm gonna call it, and hopefully you guys enjoy this this content, and hopefully you got some wins. Again, stay safe, trade cautious, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.